Right, South Africa, sanibingelela ilanga selishonile ngibingelela umanyazi Mdungu Amasa namke MD Media. Ngise nobapho laba fethu kodwa ngaphandle ngithatha isikhathi bafo sakubingelela sawumkelela la ku TV yethu. Okay, but before siqhubeke ufuna ukwazi ukuthi sinobani la njengamanje.
No Fighter Schofield.
Fighter
Schofield.
Schofield. Right. Fighter Schofield sifuna ukwazi futhi siyabona ukuthi abafundi base duty okanye ama comrades osibona nomfaniswano we-EFF sifuna ukwazi ukuthi sihlangene ngani senzani la.
Okay, as a EFF Temple branch as a duty comrades. Into esibekela ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi kahle sifuthi i-future session la khona esizofundisa ama-student ngamaculo organization sithi ama first year so amanyawo awazazi ngoma ze-EFF so sigwema ukuthi mase kunama program amakhulu like Comrades Matters engabe ama-student engasazi ngoma so ngoba selathi nje ukuthi siwachazela by the EFF with command which means sizama ukufaka umqondo bafundi sithi EFF esisukile from student command to command so that to accommodate even labantu abangasiyo ama-student sithi khona abantu abafuna iquality bengasitholayo so lo muntu uzokwazi uku-counter as i-student yabo so kahle sekufomishwe i-EFF i-command so that to accommodate wonke umuntu so ngoba sila sibiza ama-first years ukuthi ekwazi siwafundisa amaculo organization ekwazi ecula abanye sifundisa ucommander sithi kunama-characters amaningi kakhulu i-EFF so siwaclarify distance organization ukuthi yini mayelana ne-EFF and ikahlangana ama-student even in-campus or emphakathini so ngoba sila sibiza ama-student siwafundisa amaculo nayo konke siwahlanganisile nje amaningi so ibona wonke la khona la njengamanje amanye awasakwazi ukucommanda amanye aseyizile ingoma and siyawajabulisa kakhulu and sayimisela ukuthi siqhube siwajabulise.
Right. So futhi ngicela ukuthi ngaphandle kokufundisa ama-comrades ukucula nani siyawathola mhlawumbe ukuthi ekwazi ukubeka ney'nkinga abhekana zema-rest kanjalo nokufunda bese ekwazi ukuthi elekeleleke ikhona ni uhlelo njalo kulokuhlangana kwethu esikhona la njengamanje.
Ya before kwenzeke yonke into yabo sijwayele ukuthi ama-student if isekhanda igroup ngaphakathi i-EFF ekwazi ukuthi ebike zonke iy'nkinga yabo either on a rest level or on a campus level yabo so ama-student siwavulela i-platform enjalo ukuthi ama-student ekwazi ukuthi ekhulume ukuthi hayi mina e-rest ngibhekene nenkinga efana le esikoleni ngibhekene nenkinga efana le so that's what siwathini kunama-student angakwazi ukuthi sukele i-fighter lihambele i-campus noma ikuphi yabo but thina siyeza kuwona sikwazi ukuthi siwabuze student ikhona i-campaign as-a-rest then ama-student ekwazi ukukhulume ukuthi hayi sinenkinga ya 1 2 no 3 then sikwazi sifike rest si-attend then uba belungise if sinenkinga i-campus futhi kanjalo soyithatha futhi ama-student siwabize i-campus siwatshela ukuthi ngosuku oluthile sine-program ezobe ithile nama-student mhlawumbe angayiholanga imali or angenakho okuthile.
Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu ngesikhathi sakho. Right, bafethu lesinayo Fighter Schofield uzambe besichazela ukuthi kwenzakalani la right bafethu sinelinye ifighter lana bafethu sikubingelele siyakumbela ohlelweni.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukwamlekelela igama lami uFighter Q Wampungose ngiyabonga ukuthi-ke umphakathi wonke uthatha isikhathi sakho wazobona into eyenziwa i-EFF i-command.
Right mfethu siyabonga lana sibona inhlangano i-EFF yase-duty emele abafundi ihlangene isho nangomdlalo omkhulu sifuna ukwazi bafethu ukuthi inhloso yokuhlangana kwabafundi la kuyini.
So no, thank you very much again. Here as students of DUT we are troubled with a lot of things. We are facing a lot of crises, but the problem is that the management, whenever we bring up solutions to them, they always neglect our ideas and they always portray us as the bad people. Yet in our memorandum of demands, we always portray as a problem and a solution. Now, our crisis is that students are starting to lose hope in activism. So we've decided and took an oath that we are going to revisit activism of students and we are going to revisit all residencies, starting from Priya, Glenwood, up until South Beach. We are going to go to Amanyama Rest Nakona Angapandle Durban Central and visit them as well. Reason being, students must not think that the EFF only exists during our elections kuphela, but the EFF will always exist from uqala konyaka be-accept ama-offer bengenazi ikhala till kuphela konyaka sebekwazi ukuthi bathole ama-qualification abo. And again we always ensure ukuthi njengoba kuzo-graduate again we are there because those people whom are graduating are our students, are our walk-ins, are our people whom are black and marginalized. We fought for them and we must be with them again mase be-celebrate. They've asked us ukuthi sifike sobavakashela la e-Hollywood properties ey'nhlelo sifikileke khona sabanikeza injabulo yabo okungumculo abayithandayo. Right now we are going to close with a proper engagement and then sibuyele sesihamba siyolala. Nakusasa kusawusuku alukho usuku engalona usuku olubovu lwe-EFF. So if you are not thinking that the EFF will be a problem solver for you, then you must think again because currently we are sitting on a VAT that didn't increase because of the EFF. So thank the EFF today, thank the EFF tomorrow, thank the EFF forever. EFF Youth Command till we die. Amandla.
Right, sabonga bafethu sothi sikhona uFighter Q Wampungose njengamanje